Hi, and welcome to another Tea Time Tidbits. Today it's all about 10 things you can do with an appointment. If you have a look at our board, you can see there are 10 verbs which you can do with an appointment. On the left-hand side in green are the more not formal ones, but more that you would use in a business organizational situation, and on the right are the more informal, I could say, phrases. So let's go through them step by step. At the beginning, of course, you try to arrange or schedule. Some people say schedule an appointment, and we can also, of course, say make or fix an appointment. Maybe later you would like to rearrange or reschedule or reschedule the appointment. Next on our list is pencil in. This is a common phrase to say that you're not 100% sure if you can make the appointment, but you have the appointment in pencil, but later, afterwards, you can write it in pen. That's the idea. So it's temporary, and usually after you pencil in an appointment, you have to confirm it later. So you say, yes, I can attend the meeting, and then you confirm the meeting. Next one is postpone. Let's say you can't make the meeting, you can't attend the meeting, so then you would postpone it. And in more colloquial English, we would say to put the meeting off. And finally, this of course means to put it at a later time. And finally, the word cancel. I think most people know that the meeting will not take place at all, and oftentimes in more colloquial English you can use the phrase to call off. So the meeting was called off, or the meeting was put off. These are also phrasal verbs for you to know. Okay, hope that was interesting, a nice few phrases to talk about appointments, and hopefully you can try and use them in making appointments in the future. Thanks a lot. Until the next one, bye.